You're not ugly, you're optionally chopped. And don't make fun of chopped because chopped can be served. Today, I'm gonna glow up. I've been letting my eyebrows grow out so that I can redo them. I kind of want them straight and thinner. I want to ideally get rid of my eyebrows, but because I have a big forehead, I don't want it to look like forehead from here to here. So I finished one side already. I don't really have much to lose here since I barely have eyebrows already, but the hard part is copying that on this side now. Here they are both thinned and plucked. I don't really grow a hair right here, so my eyebrows can't match. My eyebrows aren't sisters or twins. They just live next to each other. They're neighbors. I don't even have the same eyes, so that's okay. One rule about glow ups is that it does not need to make sense to anyone but you. So now my eyebrows are done. I think the next step is to take an everything shower. My hair is a mess right now. A bao bun with kimchi, cucumbers, and bok choy, and watching YouTube.
I did workout, I took a shower. I don't know, I did so many stuff and workout time. Yeah, today I'm gonna start my day with working out unlike yesterday. So let's see what
I'm mature. I take gummy adult vitamins. Would you like some? So I'm back from my shower. I don't have much time because I need to leave at 1:30. It's currently 1:06. So I'm gonna do my skincare and makeup. Let's go. First things first is vitamin C. I think the essential part of having a glow up is doing your skincare, because skincare is a routine and a habit that once you put some effort into doing every day, you will see improvements over time. You know what works for you, you know what doesn't. We are all getting older. We need to start taking care of ourselves. Can you see there's a pattern? I saw a TikTok that said that you need to change your hair part every once in a while because otherwise the part will just keep getting wider and wider. I need to get off the app. Every day there's something new. Doing my makeup on the floor because I like to be as close to the mirror as possible. I use this to even out my skin. I have a lot of acne spots and scars, especially around my chin. This is sunscreen with the green tint. It just helps cancel some of that redness out. I don't really know what makeup style suits my face either. I think this year I want to focus on using my makeup products and not saving them for a good occasion, and trying new looks on myself. I'm using this Clio Cushion foundation today. I like to let my concealer sit a little bit before putting foundation on top of it. This one might be a little too orange. Actually, the match is fine. Time to fill in my eyebrows and see if it suits my face. I like thin, straight eyebrows. I don't know if it works for me because I have quite a round face, but whatever, it's already on my face. Eyebrows are filled in, they don't even match, but too bad. I think I'm gonna go for a warm neutral tone eyeshadow look today. I've seen those Xiaohongshu brightening videos and they do it so well. I think I might need to invest in that Judy doll palette, except I'm trying to do a Project Pan this year, so we'll see. Okay, I just did my eyeshadow. I'm using this Judy Doll liner. It's so good and thin and waterproof. So good. I'll be back. I can't do eye makeup with the camera, sorry. The best mascara is the Heroin Makeup Mascara. You don't have to love every feature of yours, but I think if you're aware of them, you can accept them. I've accepted that my face is asymmetrical, and I own it. Eye makeup is done. I wish I had more time to put on lashes, but I don't. Right now my face is lacking color. I'm gonna put on this Flower Nose blush. It's slightly purpley pink, but I heard that purples work better on darker skin and like olive skin because it shows up quite pink. Already you can see the glow. I have blush blindness too, so that doesn't help. And then on top of my blush, I'm going to use pink highlighter. Pink highlighter is a game changer because it looks like blush, but then it shines so beautifully. I also like to use this for my aegyousao. So pretty. I like using highlighter above my lips too. I've been seeing everyone trying to create the Seraphim Yoonjin's look. That really pretty muted gloss. Finally, I'm gonna contour. All of my makeup is broken. Try to shrink that a big forehead of mine. I need a better camera. I'm using my iPad right now. My phone, after I updated it, just doesn't do its job anymore. The best setting powder is the Canmakes Marshmallow Powder. So good. It blurs and leaves everything lasting all day and flawless. Done. Time to put on hair oil. I use Vino's hair oil, just the tiniest bit, and it has my hair feeling so good and it smells beautifully. Okay, now I'm done. One last. Okay, I got some better lighting. Here's the makeup look. I think I need to get some curtain bangs again. What I really want to do is chop it off and go short, like a little bob, like that. I don't know. I think I could rock it. Take free compliments where you can, and one of the easiest compliments is that you smell good. I'm using Burberry Her. Don't tap your perfume after you spray it. I like to spray it in my hair, here. Oh, I just tapped it. But here, just the tiniest bit. It smells so good. I already used half of it. Now I'm ready to go. Looks so much better compared to this morning. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. Bye.